Ready to turn your Odoo website traffic into a revenue stream using Google Adsense. Let's jump right into connecting Google Adsense to your Odoo website. Starting in your Odoo backend, make sure you have your Google Adsense account set up and your ad code ready to copy. Navigate to your website module, then click Edit Website to enter the website builder. Next, we'll need to access the HTML editor to insert your Adsense code. This can usually be found within the Customize menu or the HTML CSS editor option. Depending on your Odoo theme, paste your Adsense code, usually found in your Adsense account, into the head or body section of your website's HTML. Now, for ad placements, strategically choose spots on your website for maximum visibility. Consider placing ads in the header, sidebar, or within content, but avoid disrupting the user experience. Remember to tailor the ad size and type to fit the content sections on your website. Once your ads are live, monitor their performance within your Google Adsense dashboard. Track metrics like impressions, clicks, and earnings to understand what's working. Finally, optimize your ad strategies based on the data you collect. Experiment with different ad placements, ad types, and content strategies to maximize your revenue generation from Google Adsense. Website monetization through Google Adsense can be achieved through ad strategy and consistent monitoring. Happy monetizing!